Do you know the easiest way to improve your spoken English? It's not speaking, it's listening. Listen more, speak better. Hi everyone, I'm Aditi and welcome to Edumate Aditi. When we listen carefully, we listen the right pronunciation tone and style, just like babies. Before they speak, they listen for months. So, if you want to speak better English, start listening more. Listen to English cartoons, English songs, English news, or English podcasts. But remember, don't just listen like background noise. Listen with focus. Repeat the words you hear. Copy the way they speak. This is called active listening. Here's a fun exercise. Watch your favorite cartoon in English. Pick one sentence and repeat it the way the character said it. Try to copy the tone, speed, and style. You'll be surprised how quickly your speaking improves. Friends, listening is like filling your brain's basket with words and sounds. Once the basket is full, speaking becomes automatic. So, from today, let's listen more to English and speak better every day. That's all for today. I'm Aditi and I'll see you in the next video with more exciting tips. Till then, keep listening, keep learning, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Edumate Aditi. Bye bye.